Kwa ihinda iraya riu arimi guothe bururi-ini makoretwo magitara hathara ya kurwo ni magetha mao kumana na wagi wa macini cia kunyihia urugari wa magetha macio, undu uria kaingi ukoretwo ukiiga bururi hatika-ini ya kugumirwo ni ng'aragu. Kuratuika bururi ni uragwo ni hakuhi gicunji kia 40 kia magetha, thina uria umanaga na miigire mioru ya irio, arimi magithie na mbere na gutara hathara ona thengia ya gwitungumania urimi-ini wao. Indi thina uyu riu waya gukinya muthia thutha wa thitoo cia mwanya kuhingurwo tatu city mwena wa Ruiru kaunti-ini ya Kiambu. Thitoo iria irehagia magetha na kumahotithia guikara kahinda karaya arimi magietha thoko, na uguo guteithiriria arimi kuona faida njiganu ya urimi wao.
Kurahehio ukaigirwo indo ciaku ta thamaki itaguthuka muda muraihu, ona waru ikaigwo muda muraihu, ona ta mieri 9 kana muda muraihu, uguo to nginya wendie riria thoko iri thuku, no weterere thoko yoka wega wendie hindi iyo. That means andu othe ni makuhota riu kurima utari na wagagu.
You find that where the farmer feels they cannot access us, maybe in Nyandarua or in Nyeri or even in Kisumu or Rift Valley, they can aggregate into circles and be able to supply their product here for us to ensure that it's kept at the correct temperature that is required for either export or distribution into the local market.
Customers are a mix of customers. We have a wide range of clients for the facilities that we're building, and they include farmers, they include quick service restaurants, so those are the likes of KFC, those are what we call quick service restaurants. We're also targeting pharmaceutical companies, as well as supermarkets.
Ochingi ugite giki ni kimwe kia iganda iria kambuni ino ibangite gwaka gitaro-ini kia Afrika ya irathiro, kigina kia mabirioni ma mbeca gikiigwo keheri gukinyaniria mubango ucio, ikinya riri rikigwetwo ta nja ya kunina thina wa ng'aragu uria kaingi ugumagira gitaro giki hindi ya riua. Munini wa mwandiki ministry-ini ya wonjoria bururi-ini Joseph Guyo augite kurika gwa kiganda giki ni ikinya inene hari gukura kwa wonjoria bururi-ini, agitariria ati ona thengia ya kuhurana na ng'aragu kiganda giki ni gituthurite mawira kiheri kuria Kenya.
Aria ndona guku makiruta wira mundu ikaire handu ni ta kwambiriria 150 na ni kwambiriria marambiriria, uguo tugithie thiku iguka ni maguthii mongereire na ni marahingura kingi Mombasa.
Guyo ugite thirikari iri ihenya-ini ria kuguciriria igithia makiria kwambiriria kuonjorithiria guku bururi-ini, agitariria mitaratara iria gathikite gukinyaniria riendekithia riri, hamwe nayo ari kunyihiria igithia magoti o undu umwe na kwagirithia thabari ya kwambika thogori.
Obviously engaged with the public sector to discuss matters around taxes. We of course understand the need for taxes. We of course understand the need to provide services to growing populations. And it's a continuing dialogue that we have. As a business, you obviously want reduced taxes. At the same time, being a responsible citizen, a responsible corporate citizen, you understand that it needs to be done.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma kiganda-ini gia Cold Solutions gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Ruiru kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, ritwa riakwa ni Mathew Ndung'u.